Hey everybody, I just wanted to kind of give you a quick little tip that I have developed with this Hobby Lobby burlap wreath. I'm going to make one on a 12-inch frame. I'm not going to do that live because I don't want to bore you with the same things, and I generally like to make lives that I can upload to YouTube. So I might just upload this little quick tip to YouTube as well if you're making the buffalo check 10-inch wreath, just to make it a little bit clearer and understandable when you cut the petals this way, you know, because they're at an angle. I know there was a little bit of confusion. So when you cut your angle, you're cutting it at a 2-inch angle basically, but actually that's not really at a 2-inch. So let's make sure this is at a 2-inch. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Doesn't have to be perfect, just it'll get the point. So when I have this angle, if I put it on, that's not quite right. If I put it and I angle it this way, okay, can you see that? It's on the 10-inch line, and my point is that it needs to be 10 inches from here and 10 inches from there. So what I'm gonna do is at the 18-inch here, I'm just going to just cut it straight. So when I do that, it touches my 10-inch line down here and my 20-inch line up there. And so it just makes it a little bit easier to do. So let's do it one more time. So you're gonna take your already cut angle, and again, it's like a 2-inch angle that's cut. And then you're just gonna line it up on your mat. If you have a cutting mat, you really should invest in one. And so this is at the 10, so I'm going to go over here to the 18, and I'm just going to cut it straight. So when I cut it straight and I turn it, I have that angle that I want. So I just wanted to share that with you. I hope this helps you. You guys have an amazing day, and I'll catch you later.